Good morning to all. I am Indhuja, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Mahindra College of Engineering, Salem. Now, I am taking to the topic name is Introduction to Information Security. First, objectives: understand the definition of information security. Understand the key terms and concepts of information. Understand what information security is and how it came to mean what it is today. Understand the key terms and the critical concepts of information security as presented in the chapter. Understand the role professionals involved in information security in an organizational structure. Next one, IT security. IT security is the protection of computer systems and networks from information disclosure, theft or damage to their hardware, software or electronic data, as well as from the disruption or misdirection of the services they provide. IT security performs four important functions for an organization. First one, protect the organization ability to function. Second, enables the safe operation of applications implemented on the organization's IT systems. Third one, protects the data the organization collects and uses. Fourth one and last, safeguards the technology assets in use at the organization. Next one, IT security features. IT security features means availability. Second one, authenticity. Third, confidentiality, integrity, utility. First one, availability. Availability means the information is said to be available to an authorized user when and where needed under the correct format. Next one, authenticity. The quality or state of beginning, genuine or original rather than a reproduction of fabrication. Information is authenticate when it is the information that was originally created, placed, stored or transferred. Next one, confidentiality. The quality or state of preventing disclosure or exposure to unauthorized individuals or systems. Next one, integrity. Integrity means the integrity of information is threatened when the information is exposed to corruption, damage, destruction or rather disruption of its authenticate state. Utility. Last one, utility. Utility means information has value when it serves a particular purpose. This means information is available but not in a format meaningful end-to-end user. It is not useful. Next one, vulnerabilities. A vulnerability is a weakness which can be exploited by a threat actor such as an attacker to cross privilege boundaries, that is, perform unauthorized actions within a computer system. Vulnerabilities are classified according to the asset class they are related to: hardware, software, network, personal, physical site and organizational. First one, hardware. Hardware means susceptibility to humanity or dust, unprotected storage and overheating. Next one, software. Software means insufficient testing, insecure coding, lack of audit trail, design flow. And network, unprotected communication lines, insecure network architecture. Last one, personal. Personal and physical site is same as. Personal means inadequate recruiting process, inadequate security awareness, inside threat. Physical site, area subject to natural disasters, example flood, earthquake, interruption to power source. Next, threats. A threat is a potential negative action or event facilitated by vulnerability that results in an unwanted impact to a computer system or application. Any circumstance or event with the potential to adversely impact on through unauthorized access, destruction, disclosure, modification of data and or denial of service. Various of security threats: users, hardware and data. Users means identify theft and loss of privacy, exposure to spam, physical injuries. And hardware means power related problems, theft and natural disasters. Data means malware problems, hacking problems, cybercrime and cyber terrorism. Threats keywords. Next one, threats keywords. Threats keywords means spam, cookie, web bugs, malwares, hacking, etc. Spam means unsolicited commercial email, junk or email. Cookie means small text file that a web server put on computer. Web bugs means a small GIF embedded in web page email. Malwares means malicious of software. Malicious of software. Shoulder surfing and hacking. Hacking means finders users password, password sharing, password guessing or password capture. Next one, social engineering. Social engineering means dumpster driving, phishing email and phishing phone calls. Next one, attack descriptions. Attack description means first one, denial of services. DOS. Attacker sends a large number of connection or information requests to a target. So many requests are made that the target system cannot handle them successfully along with other legitimate requests for service. May result in a system crash or merely inability to perform ordinary functions. Next one, distributed denial of services means an attack in which a coordinated stream of requests is launched against a target from many locations at the same time. Attack descriptions, spoofing and man in the middle. Spoofing means technique used to gain unauthorized access whereby the introducer sends message to a computer with an IP address indicating that the message is coming from a trusted host. The next one, attack description, mad in the middle. Mad in the middle means an attacker snips the packets from the network, modifies them and inserts them back into the network. Components of a information system. Information system is entire set of software, hardware, data, people, procedures and networks necessary to use information as a resource in the organization. To fully understand the importance of information security, it is necessary to briefly review the elements of an information system. An information system is much more than computer hardware. It is the entire set of software, hardware, data, people and procedures necessary to use information as a resource in the organization. Next one, securing components. Securing components means computer can be subject an attack and or the object of the attack. When the subject of an attack, computer used to active tool to conduct attack. When the object on attack, computer is the entity being attacked. Securing the components. When considering the security of information system components, it is important to understand the concept of the computer as the subject of an attack as opposed to the computer as the object of an attack. When computer is the subject of an attack, it is used to activate tool the conduct of the attack. Next one, analysis. Analysis is consists of assessments of the organization, status of current systems and capability to support proposed systems. Analytes determine what new system is expected to do, how it will interact with existing systems, ends with documentation of findings and update of feasibility analysis. The analysis phase begins with the information learned during the investigation phase. This phase consists primarily of assessments of the organization, the status of current systems and the capability of support the proposed systems. This phase ends with the documentation of the findings and a feasibility analysis update. Next one, information system logical design. During the physical design phase, specific technologies are selected to support the alternatives identified and evaluated in the logical design. The selected components are evaluated based on a make or buy decision. Make or buy decision means develop in-house or purchase from a vendor. Final designs integrate various components and technologies. After it, another feasibility analysis, the entire solution presented to the end user representatives for approval. Next one. Next one, implementation. In the implementation phase, any needed software is created or purchased components are ordered, received and tested. Afterwards, users are trained and supporting documentation created. Again, a feasibility analysis is prepared and the users are the presented with the system for a performance review and acceptance test. Last one, investigation. The investigation of the SDLC begins with a directive from upper management, dictating the process, outcomes and the goals of the project as well as the constraints placed on the activity. Frequently, this phase begins with a statement of program security policy that outcomes the implementation of security. Terms of responsible managers, employees and contractors are organized, problems analyzed and scope defined, including goals, objectives and constraints not covered in the program policy. Investigation means begins of the SDLC, software development life cycle. Finally, an organizational feasibility analysis is performed to determine whether the organization has the resources and commitment necessary to conduct a successful security analysis and design. Thank you.